Yes, people, I'm back again. You understand? This is Silk Reacts, okay? Yes, react to a lot of video, but not the wrong video. Okay, we're going to get right into it. But before we get right into it, this one is, will his pregnant girlfriend pass this loyalty test, guys? If she pregnant, I want to see if she go pass, bro. Because a lot of these female are moving like a rat. A lot of these female are is not moving like a rat or is.
Alright, dude, how you feeling?
Cool.
Cool. You ready for this, man?
Yeah, you
Ready.
gotta be ready, man. About to put her ass to this test. She got me in the blender.
Right.
I'm trying to figure out what going on.
I
right
feel
now.
it, man. I feel it.
Today we're replacing Jozart's pregnant girlfriend Sierra to the test. Will she remain loyal to him, or will she trade him for another rich and successful guy?
So there was.
So guys, based off my understanding, her boyfriend or her husband is already rich. You understand? So let's see. Bro, this female is pregnant. Hey, B, you're pregnant. If you cheat, no, you're a rat. If you cheat, you're a rat.
Kid, you wouldn't be here.
Oh,
Guys, first, subscribe. You understand? And thank you for all the subscribers. I love you guys. You understand? Yes. Big up on yourself right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Big up on yourself right now. See? Yes. And also subscribe to this channel name One Code Music. Okay? And do remember follow me on Instagram right now.
not at all.
Not at all.
I'm gonna just go find me another one.
I'm about to open the door right now. I'm about to let you in. Yo!
This loyalty test will take place at this $1 million home. Our friend Isaiah is pretending that he lives here.
$1
Madeline will convince Sierra to come over, and when the time is right, Isaiah will ask her on a date, allowing Jozart to find out if she will remain loyal.
So she hit you up saying that she's pregnant.
Yeah.
And it's yours.
She's saying it's mine, but you know,
You don't think it's yours?
it ain't no evidence proving that. We
Yeah,
together,
no.
but you know, we trying to solidify everything with the trust. So you know, we making it work.
Bro, from my understanding, bro, from this guy feel this way, this type of way, bro, she's cheating, bro. Trust me. Or maybe he's the one cheating and feel like she is cheating.
Being there for the kid is what's most important.
Yeah. Okay.
If she loyal, then I'll apply myself to the situation as a whole, and maybe we can make it work. But if not, then I'm gonna just keep going on about my way.
Why I'm just step on the party?
My girl says she's pregnant, but I don't think it's mine because she'd be outside too much. We've had issues in the past, so let's set up a test on her. That was the crazy DM that Jozart sent, and after hitting him up and learning more, we found out that he makes music and she's a dancer. They met while working together, they dated for a year, and then they broke up.
The entertainment industry as a whole, you know, as both of us being involved with different aspects of music and dancing, it ain't really work out. You know, trust and everything wasn't really working out. So
Gotcha.
we decided to just break it off.
Gotcha.
A couple months after breaking up though, Jozart and Sierra would reconnect on a night out.
I was doing my 1-2 for like 4 months, and I caught her in the club again. We made our connections, but we kept it platonic after that. And she hit me up like a month later and said she had a baby. So it was like,
And it's yours.
she's saying it's mine, but you know,
You don't think it's yours?
it ain't no evidence proving that. It's all hypothetical, because you know we did have our consensuals, but she could have been doing that with anybody. And at the end of the day, I caught her at the
Yes,
club.
guys, because she's a dancer, you understand? So she could be out there doing a lot of stuff. Guys, subscribe to this channel, please. You understand? Subscribe right now.
So you know how I get when you out enjoying yourself. I was just probably her option for that night. I'm just trying to make sure that it wasn't others before me.
After telling him that she was
Bruh,
pregnant, Sierra
honest.
told Jozart that they should try to work things out between them, that they should try to be a family for the baby's sake, and Jozart's down for that, if the baby is his.
She came back into your life and said, I got a baby and I want to make this work. What did you say to her when she said that?
Really? Are you sure? That's the first thing, of course.
Bro, I would say the same thing as well. Comment what would you say right now, guys? Really?
You sure? Then is it mine? But you know, that's kind of always gonna throw the situation left and into the bad light when you accuse her of.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
together,
bro.
but you know, we trying to solidify everything with the trust. So you know, we making it work for now.
Jozart and Sierra initially broke up because of trust issues, so of course there's gonna be doubts. Hopefully those
Yeah.
doubts go away though with this loyalty
Set
test.
up it
And I'm not
right
gonna lie,
now.
I was very hesitant about
Let's
doing this
catch
video,
some of
primarily
these
because there's
cheaters.
innocent third party involved. We went through with everything though, because Jozart said he'd be there for the kid whether Sierra stayed loyal or not, if of course the baby is his.
Co-parenting is always the better option with anything. Being there for the kid is what's most important.
So if she stays loyal, what happens then?
If she loyal, then I'll apply myself to the situation. But until then, she on thin ice.
Yeah, true, bro.
Hello?
Hey girl, I just wanted to make sure that we're still on for today to go over choreo.
Yeah, I'm still good for it.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna head over to the producer's house soon. I'll send you my ETA.
Okay, see you soon.
See you soon.
The first step of our plan was getting Sierra to come to this house. So a couple days ago, we had Madeline ask her to create some dance choreography for one of her songs in exchange for some good money. Sierra was interested and even suggested meeting at a dance studio that she frequents. However, as planned, Madeline preferred to meet at her producer's house.
Hey, this is nice. This is crazy. They got the rabbit fur carpet. It's crazy. Shoot.
Bro, it seems like she's pregnant, right? She's pregnant, so they have to catch her really good, bro. So this car is really expensive. A Rolls Royce, bro, to catch this pregnant lady. Oh my God.
I feel like I can get used to this.
She gonna see this car, and that's gonna let me know right there from
She's gonna get the full test right now.
She gonna get the full test.
The $1 million home is gonna make Isaiah look rich,
You
but
feel a test paper exam A? You feel a mathematics 3 plus 10 A?
$475,000 Rolls Royce is gonna add some crazy credibility.
Here's my favorite feature.
Whoa!
Kyle,
That
how
tough.
much is this umbrella?
$3,200.
$3,200.
I'm about to be like, hey, how much is the car? How much you think this umbrella is?
3,200, bro.
I think you can film a gold digger video with just the umbrella, bro.
The owner of
Just
this
the
umbrella and the
umbrella,
Rolls
bro.
Royce is our friend Kyle. Today he'll be playing Isaiah's driver. After showing Isaiah how to work the car, setting everything up, and adjusting our plan a bit because of the rain, everyone eventually got into position.
So you said you already have baby mama drama?
Yeah, I
catch
got
them
2
now.
kids already.
How's it going with the other baby mamas?
They pretty cool now, you know. It was rocky at first, but you know, the best thing about it is they let me see my kids and talk to my
good.
kids.
How do you drive this car? This is $500,000?
You can drive it afterward.
I don't think you want me to drive. You see the color of my skin, bro?
Flight then. Flight up in 9 years.
Hello?
Oh, is this it? I think this is it.
Okay, perfect. I have parking in the driveway for you.
People, this is it. You understand? If you're not a cheater, subscribe to this channel right now. Okay? Thank you very much. And please press the like button.
Some street parking. I'm like super close.
Just park in the driveway because I don't want you to get towed. They usually start towing cars around 4.
Jesus.
Oh, really?
Just pull into the driveway. I'm coming out right now.
Where's that hurt?
She's right there, yeah. Okay, we're starting.
I feel like
Madeline
we
had
can't
to
do one
convince
thing,
Sierra to
Cora.
park in the driveway.
Okay, pulling up right now. Do you
I
see
see.
me? Oh, okay, that.
Cool. You just pull up right here. Right there.
That right here?
Yeah.
There we go. She's
Right
parking the driveway.
here.
Perfect.
Come
This
get
was a
catch
simple but
now.
important
And see
task.
if
You
you
guys
lie,
will
yeah.
see how we use this to our advantage later.
Nice to finally meet you. How was the drive?
Oh, actually not too bad. Thank God it stopped raining.
Okay, here we go.
So it begins.
We have so much work to do, but
Yeah.
one thing at a time.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
We could just, I already set up the mirror here. I was thinking we could just do here. This is the producer. Hey.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Isaiah.
Hear that? How is
All
it
right.
going?
We met. First contact.
If you want to just put your stuff down. Yeah, that's fine.
Madeline now had to make this entire thing believable. So before they start working on the dance choreo for her song, she makes small talk with Sierra, all while Isaiah pretends to get work done.
We could do like something for TikTok, something pretty short. It doesn't have to be like super, you know, like crazy,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I mean, we could just start.
Get into it.
We could just.
Eventually, the girls move on to creating the choreo.
Yeah, we're just gonna give them some time here to do their thing, and then I'm gonna be giving Madeline a call and getting her out of the scene.
I got legends watching me get done dirty. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Turning in.
People, I do dancing as well. Go check out my account on Instagram. That is Silk Code X. Okay, thank you. Big
They
up
is
on
right now
yourself.
watching this shit.
Right? Dance
Have you ever
catch
owned a
girl.
Honda Civic?
Yes, I have a Honda
You
Civic.
better do not get catch now.
It off broke just like everyone.
And I think you say meat coleslaw. And you like a flan roll.
She gonna be so mad at Madeline at the end of this.
I know, dude. How was Madeline feel now? She's getting so friendly with her.
It's funny though, now that I've settled down, more girls hit on me now than I did when I was single.
But it's a good thing you're loyal. Around, Sergio and I are gonna come out with the camera.
Exactly.
If we don't like it, we can just, change it.
Change
If she passes the test, do you plan on telling her that this was a test? Or would you? Nah.
Some things are better left unsaid.
I feel it. I feel it.
She'll never come across this video.
And if she does, remember guys, you deny.
Hey, if she does come across my channel, what should I do? Comment, what should I do, people?
So high, I don't even remember.
The dance was coming out pretty nice, and so was the sun. After 45 minutes, it was time to move things along.
Ooh.
What's up?
My manager's calling me. Hold up. Hello?
Hey, Madeline. You got some time to talk? Otherwise, your music video might not happen.
Yes. Give me 1 second. I gotta take this.
Yeah, go ahead, no worries.
Hey, I'll be right back. Give me like 10-15 minutes.
Shit crazy.
And just like that, we got Madeline out of there. We were one step closer to Isaiah making his move.
She left you for a manager?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't tie her down for too long.
Hey, that's step 1, and this is step 2. Because we do not go 2. Alright, guys, but step 3, subscribe to my channel, please, if you're not a treater, okay?
That girl stays busy. I saw what you guys are doing though, it's looking good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's all the little, I'm not gonna do it, I can't dance. How long you been dancing for?
Honestly, like my entire life.
Alrighty, Kyle, go ahead and make your entrance. Over.
You dance full time right now?
Yeah, I've been super blessed to get
Hey, guys, the setup after neat, bro.
gigs back to back.
That's dope.
Yeah. So you produce like all of the music?
I wouldn't say all of it. We have like 20 something songs together. I produced this track.
Really?
Yeah,
That's fire.
appreciate it. No, she's really good.
How long have you been
Hey,
making
mama,
music?
smile.
Not as long as most people that I know. I've only been doing it for like 7 years. So it's like,
That's still a long time.
yeah, it's a lot of work, but we love it.
Yeah. This is your spot?
Yeah,
Yeah. It's beautiful.
appreciate it.
She real curious.
Been here for like 2 years.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So you like it here?
I love it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fact that she even entertaining this conversation alone is already a red flag.
Ideally, what would you
Yeah, bro, she's entertaining the guy, trust me.
say your deal?
That she here for business that ain't got nothing to do with her. Madeline ain't in the room. She's supposed to be minding her business.
You do anything other than dance? You play any sports growing up?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
What's up, Isaiah?
What's up, my guy?
What's good,
happening?
bro?
How's she looking?
Dude, your car still looks fresh. I mean, the car wash was closed, but the inside needs some work. It's a little wet, but works.
Cool.
So there's a car that's blocking the driveway, the Dodge Charger.
Oh, yeah, that's my car.
Do you mind if I move it? I'm gonna move it in really quickly, and then I'll put the Rolls Royce right behind it.
Oh, I can just move it.
I got it. I mean, it will be a tight squeeze if so. I
Mama says she will move it, so she want to see the Rolls Royce. You feel a rice in a pot, eh? You're gonna
just
get
not
cooked.
any of the cars get scratched, and I'll just do
Got
it.
you.
Perfect. You guys want to come out with me?
He does this thing for a living, by the way. You don't have to.
Exactly. I detail cars, manage cars.
Here we go. Madeline convinced Sierra to park in the driveway so that we could force her to come back outside without even trying.
So I'm gonna need your car key, and I'm gonna move it right up.
Sierra thinks that Kyle is just driving her car into the garage so that he could then pull in Isaiah's car into the driveway. While technically, yes, this is true, it's not the main reason why we dragged her out here.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Let me move this one right in.
As I mentioned earlier, Kyle is pretending to be Isaiah's driver who just got his car detailed.
That's my baby right there. You like it?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
The car was supposed to be super clean, Isaiah was supposed to be impressed by Kyle's work and then tip him a generous amount, but because of the rain, it didn't make sense to do that anymore. Funny enough though, the sun ended up coming out after all.
I would say I can take you on a drive, but I don't know if Madeline would be happy if I took you away, so. She did leave you though, I don't know. No, we can hop inside.
Yeah.
Oh, we can for sure go inside.
All right, here we go.
Our new plan was for Isaiah.
People, subscribe to this channel, okay? Yes, and subscribe to my One Code Music channel as well, right here. Okay? Big up on yourself. Let's get into it.
Simply invite Sierra to check out the inside of the car, which he did flawlessly.
I got you. Yeah.
Hey, I got you.
Appreciate
I
you.
got
Of
you.
course, let me get you
Are
the
you
key, bro.
gone, girl? Girl, you're dead.
She see the car and she choosing already.
Yeah, man, she see
Isaiah
the car and
effortlessly gets
chose the
Sierra into
car,
the car.
bro.
And I didn't notice this at the time, but when she hops into the car, she immediately starts checking herself out. Is she trying to make sure she looks good? Is she just fixing her hair from all the dancing? I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this a red flag?
Guys, comment what you think if this is a red flag, bro. Because to me, this is a red flag, bro. This a 3 red flag. You see me? I say over red. Trust me.
Yourself, you look good.
This is insane.
With Sierra now in the Rolls Royce, there was only one last step in our plan. Isaiah was now free to finally make his move.
How do you think she's doing so far? No.
She on
Red
thin
up.
ice and it's cracking.
Yes, we're catching cheaters now.
She still ain't made any actions that she can't come back from, but she's entertaining too much for sure right now. Simple fact that she's sitting in the car already bad enough.
I had them do the interior custom made. On the back right here, you can't really see, but if you push these buttons,
Yeah.
that pops out like that.
Period.
Yeah.
That's nice.
This is my second car. I got the other car in the shop,
Oh wow.
but I like driving this one a lot.
nice.
This is my baby.
Yeah. Is this like your dream car or
Oh, for sure. Yeah, it costs way too much to not be my dream car.
how much is it?
Guess,
I don't really know cars like that.
just by looking at it.
I would say maybe like 100,000.
You say 100,000?
Yeah, 100,000. Is it more? Less?
That is crazy.
That is
That's
crazy.
Wow, you really
bro.
said $100,000.
Really?
Does it cost 100,000? Like, am I wrong?
I feel insulted. That's
That's crazy,
wild.
bro.
Cars like
That's crazy.
It costs 400,000.
More than that, cute girl.
Yeah.
400,000. No way. This car.
Swear to God.
It costs that much?
Yeah.
Bro, she know how much it cost, bro. She know how much it costs.
What I gotta lie for?
$400,000? That's literally the price of a house.
I never actually thought about it like that.
Here we go.
So now Sierra knows the price of the car, which, side note, is actually $475,000 before taxes. And yes, that includes the umbrella.
So, you live far from here?
I'm like 40 minutes out.
Yeah?
Not too far.
That's not far at all.
Yeah, not too far.
Yeah.
She live 40 minutes, but it's not gonna take 40 minutes for her to know if she's gonna cheat. People, let's catch her now.
You got any plans this weekend?
I don't know yet. Why?
Wrong answer.
I'm just trying to give you some plans.
Trying to
Yeah.
give me some plans.
I'm gonna be real.
Yeah. Be real.
I'm in a predicament right now.
She say yes, be real.
I got this beautiful woman in my car,
Oh.
and I feel like I would be dumb not to ask her out on a date.
She'd be dumb to say yes.
You want to ask me on a date?
I would love to.
Well, why do you want to take me out on a date?
Because you're beautiful, you're
Bro,
talented,
she wanna say yes.
you're sexy. The list goes on. I can keep going if you want me to. I want someone I can spend my time with, give my time to. I want to spend my time with you.
She don't even know when people lie to her. She making it easy for them too.
I'll pick you up in this. I'll have a whole bouquet of flowers in the back. I'll make a song for you.
A song?
The whole 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
People, you see that? Eh, you see your money catch these fake girls, bro. Eh,
Put your number in my phone.
Choppy heart right there's a beat out like him heart want reach him nose. Him heart want bounce and go in him shoulder. As I say, can't believe. Watch him man nose right there's a grow. Choppy can't believe right now and say, yo, damn, bro. How I go on?
Figure whatever out.
Jesus, bro.
Fail
Headphone a shit.
already.
Damn.
Like she ain't pregnant.
Red, bro.
That's what she on.
Do you think she'd actually show up?
It don't matter if she's showing, just opening the door, giving them access, that's already enough.
This is crazy because Sierra is pregnant. She's pregnant. She's in a relationship with Jozar because she wants to be a family, yet she's over here agreeing to go on dates with other guys.
What do you want to eat?
Honestly, I have no idea. Like, I'm usually pretty indecisive.
Oh, got you, Miss Indecisive. Just pick.
You pick. I
All
love
right.
spicy food. Like, I don't
We
know.
can do spicy food. How about this? I'll pick you up.
Okay.
We can be spontaneous.
Okay.
We can figure it out on the day, and then after, we can come back, chill.
Might come back to here.
Guys, it's good to watch these videos to learn what's going on in the world right now. And it is not only females, even males stay this way as well. Love sweets, bro, God. You understand?
Yeah. At my crib.
People subscribe, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bro,
Damn.
all my art.
Ready. Look at
Bro,
her just.
my art cut up, bro. My art gone. There's no more art. You understand? Trust me.
Losing her. What the wrong with this?
I can make
Not
some
even
drinks.
know of them, bro.
I'm actually kind of
Art cut
nice.
up already.
I actually used to be a bartender back in the day.
No
Kind
way.
of nice with it, yeah. Before I started doing this producer thing.
No way.
Yeah.
There's no way. What do you know how to make?
Once again, Isaiah decided to push this phase even further, and this time it seems to be working out for him.
I can make whatever you like. What do you like drinking?
More of like a tequila gal.
Okay.
You know?
What we rocking with the tequila?
Margarita. Tequila sunrise sometimes.
Okay, I already got the pineapple juice and that orange juice in the fridge right now.
Oh, so you just ready?
Oh, I stay ready. You stay ready, you don't gotta get ready, you feel me?
Yeah.
She's talking about drinking while she's supposed to be pregnant. What's...
That's true. That's true. Damn, I
Oh
didn't even
my
think of that.
After
God.
that, we can, you know, just...
Bro, this lady's pregnant. And she gonna drink tequila. Tequila gonna tequila you
Like
right
those.
now.
Okay.
I'll be down with whatever.
Yeah, I like being spontaneous.
Bro, we not go down. Burn up.
Yeah.
Oh, like what? She don't got no respect for herself. She's making it so easy.
This was a complete and utter fail. Sierra knows
She feel, bro, she have no respect, no respectful, no respectful-tive, no respectfulitation, no respect. Hey, you make a lot of words with these respect. She don't have none. You understand?
exactly what Isaiah's offering, and she knows what she should say. Yet despite having a man and a baby, she still agrees to go on a date with him.
It looks like she's looking for a come up.
Ain't they all?
Alright, where am I picking you up from? You say you live in what area?
She's really doing all of this while she's pregnant, dude.
She got a man and a baby, bro.
What's she gonna do when the dude finds out she has a baby?
I can't even imagine what she be doing on a normal. That shit just really crazy as to think about. Like, you really can't just trust people, and that's why I'm glad I did this. Cause this just gave me the confirmation that she ain't loyal for sure. So that gave me more reason to keep my suspicions going to who baby it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool though, bro.
I definitely want to get her tested. But
All the girl that hurt. Man, I tell you. Call Earth right now. Boop. Hey. All Earth. If you call Earth. Everything. You understand? Earth. Cut up inside of, hey, Jesus.
you put in any child support or anything.
Oh, 100%, dude.
1000%.
100%, dude.
This is heartbreaking, messed up,
Heartbreaking,
and sad.
bro.
It's sad. For
Not even glass break like my heart right now watching this video. Trust me.
Jozar and the baby.
People, if you're not a cheater, subscribe right now to my channel. Okay, and subscribe to One Code Music channel. Thank you. You're my voice all a tremble, bro. Jesus Christ.
Like, really think about it.
Definitely heard enough.
No point in continuing this any further?
No,
So
she
goes through with it?
need to feel me. She need to see how I feel. No, she clearly too comfortable in the car. She too comfortable in this environment. I need to wake her up and bring her back to reality. Her head in la la land right now, so she.
Bro, first thing, you cannot wake her up, bro. She's already sleeping, bro. You cannot change a mango tree person from a apple tree person to a apple tree. You cannot change a mango tree to a apple tree. Bro, you're a scientist. You work in the lobby.
For the streets though, like.
Want to put her in right
Bro,
there in the car?
she's for the She's not even for the streets. She's for the world. You see me? Yeah.
Oh, no, we right to the car. We can't give her a chance to try to lie about it. We gotta catch her right in the act.
Damn, and she's blocked in too. Her car's blocked in, so she can't go anywhere.
She can't go nowhere.
Oh,
nowhere.
let's do this. Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
The outcome
yeah.
of this video was unfortunate, but on the bright side though, if Isaiah does end up being the dad, at least it's good to know that he's gonna step up and be there for his kid.
Chop first. Do not touch the female. Just talk. Okay? Brawling.
I hope you guys have your talkies, because you guys already know. This
Yeah, man,
is
we
gonna
catch
be
them.
good.
See it here now.
What the f is this, bro? What the f wrong with you?
Hey, mama, shock. I know this female is shocked right now. If she touch a light wire, bro, she's not shocked like how she's shocked right now.
Is this?
You know what the f this is. Why the f you talking about you about to go on a date with this nigga? What the f going through your head right now?
What?
Why the f you out here being a what's your problem?
Yo, can you stop recording me?
No, I'm not about to stop recording you. What the f you out here doing? You in his car talking about you about to go on days, this, that, and the third. What the f wrong with you? You tripping? You think I'm stupid or something?
You look stupid.
Nah, I don't look stupid. I just know what the f you got going on, and I need a confirmation of that for real. You tripping, shorty?
I'm over this, bruh.
Nah, what the f you doing?
Out of my way.
Where the f you going? We're not about to do that. You trying to run away from your problems and your responsibilities.
I'm not trying to be on camera, bruh.
Bro, you shouldn't have been out here being a what the f you doing there? You talk about you not trying to be on camera. I'm not trying to be out here
Ja, no, bro. I know that feeling, bro. Trust me. Like him just want to leave her alone, but he's hurt. He love her, bro. Guys, comment what you think, bro.
kid that ain't mine. You want me to be there, be responsible for this kid and be there for this baby, but you out here with niggas and like that, you got me
Bro,
up.
what the are you talking about?
You know what the I'm talking about. You out here in the car playing crazy with this, talking about you about to go on dates, and you talking about you about to drink liquor. You got a baby in your belly. You know what that's gonna do to my kid? What the is wrong with you? You not thinking with your head or something?
Bruh, I can do whatever the I want to do.
You're not about to do what the you want while you.
Bro, first thing hey, jeez, hey, first thing a female talking like that, bro. Delete, bro. You're still there right there arguing the female, bro. You're a female, a two female that, bro. You understand? She's the man and him is the female then.
My kid in your belly, supposedly my baby.
Bro, you fucking set me up.
Yeah, I set you
girl,
up.
lift up. When I set you up, you feel a night, eh? Lift up from and go on.
He was about to set me up for 18 years, about to have me paying child support on a kid that's probably not
What
even.
the are you talking about, bro?
I'm talking about this baby.
I swear and I cuss bad words. Jesus Christ, no.
Bring people to stop me.
Nah, don't be trying to flip it on me. Nah, I saw all these cameras out here because you could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 niggas before you told me you had this baby in your stomach.
You.
Sierra, this entire thing was basically all a test. We were just trying to help Jozart find out if you're loyal to him or not. That's why we have all these cameras rolling.
Tragically.
I mean, and clearly, you agreed to go on a date with Isaiah. This isn't actually his house. This house is a rental. Wow. Madeline is a singer, but she doesn't really want to make a whole dance and everything for the video. So like all that was just made up. Like
I'm just wasting my time. So I'm not gonna get my money.
Now you know how I feel to get your time wasted.
Why the you have everyone in our business?
I tried to keep
which
between me and you, but you wanted to involve all these other niggas in our situation. Now I'm just questioning who you was dealing with before you even told me you was pregnant, because it might not even be mine. Yeah. Now I want a paternity tested.
Well, it's not yours. It's not your baby. Yeah.
Oh, the thing the camera did a zoom up one time. Yes, me forward. It's not free, baby. See it? Bro, you see what I told you, bro? Just leave, bro. Not even say a next word, bro. I play back this video and you do not say a next word out of your mouth, okay?
Did you want to hear that?
So it ain't my baby. Who kid is it then?
Ain't talk. A idiot. A baboon. A rat. This guy is a lizard brain, this guy. Hey, bro, your head is not on your neck. All right? No.
Your best friend. Your friend.
Hey, look.
How does that feel? Did you want to hear that? Yeah. Your friend.
Hey, look. You know we don't even play like that. Don't even say nothing like that to me before I get out of here.
Mama, disrespect. That girl is sick. Not even hospital she can go to get back her brain. She have to go link God. You see me? She's sick, bro. She's sick.
You up in the head, shorty.
How about this? I mean, I know you're worried about getting paid, so how about if I offer you $1,000 to go take a prenatal pregnancy test? There's a few clinics.
Who are you?
I'm Josart's friend here, and I'm trying to just get to the truth at this point. My offer to you is I'll give you $1,000 if you agree to go do a prenatal pregnancy test. It's gonna cost about
mind you this at you, bro. Mind you this at you, bro.
$1,000, but I'll cover all of that. So you'll get pretty much $1,000 for taking the test. He'll know who's the if he's the father or not, and everything else is covered.
Yeah, man. Chop, I cover you.
Wait, what? So you're offering to pay her
I'll give her an extra $5,000. I gave her $6,000 total.
$6,000. So you'll give her an extra $5,000.
Yes.
$6,000.
Maybe it's another prank, bro. Let's see.
This came out of nowhere. My man Scott was offering Sierra $6,000.
Yeah, bro. Cause I'm hurt, bro. Trust me, I'm hurt. Jano star.
To take this thing called a prenatal pregnancy test. Now, I didn't know this at the time, but apparently they've developed ways to find out if you're the parent of a child before the baby's even born. Apparently as early as 7 weeks of conception. Imagine if Jerry and Maury had this.
Come here, read fast a while ago. I have to read now, go on.
$6,000. $6,000.
Got my face, bro.
$6K. You know
I'm
you
over
need
this,
it.
bro. I'm over this.
Oh, where you going, shorty?
Bro.
Just getting
Why you trying to leave me? You said you about to pay for everything. You can't go
Girl,
nowhere
I
like
give one box and one kick and one thumb plus tax. Eh?
Touch me, bro. Like, I'm out of here, bro.
How you trying to leave now when he said he pay for everything? What's your issue, shorty? Come back. Don't away from your problems now. You lack accountability with everything you do, and now you trying to run away when the evidence
Bro,
started
you have
funny.
guys like this, bro, or this is comedy.
That's your problem.
Camera.
You need to find out your morals and your standards. They in the gutter. You see what you is the problem.
Oh, we gotta move the roles. Yeah, we should.
Bro, she don't love him, bro. She don't love him. Guys, move the rows before she eat the rice. You understand? Move the rows before she eat the rice, bro. Because if she ever, I should have my car.
Before she backs into it. Holy.
let me go move this car real quick.
I left the keys are in the car.
Yo, ass.
Joseph, we could just let her go, bro. Cause
we gonna let her go, but she's still you out here choosing with these niggas like I've been taking care of you from
Bro,
the
she
start.
don't love you, bro. If a girl did love you, she would not do that, bro. Just leave, bro. There's plenty, bro. Females is more than man on this earth, bro. Leave.
All of this.
You got a $6K opportunity.
Let her struggle, bro. Don't rush for nothing. Don't let her control that she got going on. She don't run over here.
hey, she might back up into the roles, bro. Kyle, you should move the roles. She might back up into that.
Yeah, move fast.
Keep getting nutted in. You're oatmeal cream pie.
Josart really called her an oatmeal cream pie. What does that even mean? Oatmeal cream pie. I guess I kind of get it.
No, we're not
wrong
getting
with her?
bro.
Now, despite being offered $6,000 to take this prenatal test, Sierra refused to take it. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's because of her ego. Maybe it's because she knows it's not Josart's. Or maybe it's because of what she says next.
Joke's on you. There's no baby. Bye. You.
Bro, there's no baby. Bro, this girl pass wicked, bro. There's another language for wicked, bro. Not even in Chinese.
Yeah, she really just said that.
Yeah, I don't know if she was being serious or not, but
There's no
she just
baby
said there was
for
no
real,
baby.
bro.
She just said there's no baby.
She said there's no baby.
No way.
You said you recorded it. You got it on camera.
No
Oh, yeah,
way.
you gotta spin that back for me. So you telling me? So you
Bro,
telling
you're telling
me
me
that
what,
it
bro?
ain't no
Just
baby?
leave.
There is no baby in the first place.
Oh, yeah, careful, careful. Joseph, come back here, Joseph.
There's no baby in the first place.
Yeah, don't let her. Yeah,
You
don't let her.
crazy as what the is wrong with you?
That mad woman, bro.
You take your ass on somewhere.
Mad woman in a clean clothes and mad man in a clean clothes, bro. Bro, subscribe to this channel, bro. Trust me. Just subscribe, guys. If you're not a cheater, bro, your heart clean like my white t-shirt. You understand? Because a lot of these guys' heart ain't clean, bro. Their heart is dirty like the ground. You understand? Yes, like dirt. Subscribe.
Let's see that footage. I want to see that footage.
I don't rule out the possibility that there really is no baby, but I don't know. She's super mad. She might just be talking out of her ass. This revelation is shocking, but I kind of take it with a grain of salt. Like, what is even the truth at this point?
I don't condone all the and being thrown out, but this is wild.
People, this is why reach the end of the video. Because it not make no sense. We're gonna more. You understand? Until we do our next one. You understand? So catch me in the next one. But first, subscribe to this channel, Silk Reacts. We'll give you the best loyalty test. Okay? Yes. So if you're not a cheater, subscribe to the channel. Even who cheat, subscribe same way. You understand? Yes, cute girl. You say you. Subscribe to the channel right now and don't be a panel. Alright? Yes, it is not a channel. It is a channel. Big up on yourself. See me in the next video. I'm out.